Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to take you through a short and sharp abdominal routine that's a fantastic pre-Pilates warm-up to really get that core fired up, work deep into the powerhouse and get you ready for any workout. So all you need for this warm-up is your mat, so let's get started. We're going to bring our hands behind our head. So interlace your fingers behind your head and lift your elbows just an inch or two off the ground. Keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. We're going to tuck the chin in, scoop the tummy, lift the chest, keep the chest nice and open, reaching and lengthening through the back of the neck, and then sinking all the way back down. Let's do that 4 more times. Breathe out 4, pulling the navel up and in, lifting, and then sinking all the way back down. 3 to go. 3, and lower. And just 2 more. Keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. Melt back down. 1 last time like this and hold it at the top. Now you're going to reach those arms forward. You're going to lift a little bit higher. Keep the height. Reach the arms back beside the ears. Then fold the arms, support the head, lower down. Lift up. Reach and lift a little bit higher. Bring those arms back beside your ears, keeping the height. Bend the arms, lower down. 3 to go. Reach and lift, hands behind the head and lower down. 2 more, lift, reach. Now the arms come back, but you keep the height. Hands behind the head, lower down. 1 last time. Reach, lift higher. Hands come back behind the head and lower down. Now this time you're going to lift up, you're going to reach forward and you're going to clasp the hands. So you're going to reach your fingers around one another and keep that nice firm grip. You're going to rotate to one side, lifting up and over, and then to the other side. 4 more. 4, and reach. 3, and stretch. Just 2 more. 2, and reach. 1 last time, and stretch. Hands come back behind the head and we lower all the way down. If you'd like the full-length version of this pre-Pilates warm-up, check out our latest workout on the online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have this warm-up and over 500 fantastic full-length real-time workouts waiting for you. We have mat workouts, workouts with equipment, reformer workouts, full-length programs, challenges, and so much more waiting for you. Check it out, and I can't wait to see you on the mat.